What if you could create an entire month of Pinterest affiliate content, videos, pins, description, SEO in less than few minutes? No theory, I just did it. I used Sora AI to generate 50 Pinterest pins in just 20 minutes. Okay, I uploaded them all to Pinterest with AI writing SEO, description, and affiliate links. By the end of the week, those pins had generated over $3,000 in affiliate commissions. No camera, no editing, no design skills needed, just Sora AI, Pinterest, and a system I'm going to show you right now, completely free, step by step. Okay, if you are doing Pinterest affiliate marketing the old way in 2026 and you are not using AI, you are working 10 times harder than you need to. Okay, so let me show you the new way and let's get started. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll show you my method with Pinterest. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just this month, in just 22 days, I have made $24,390. Okay, and just last month I have made $36,270. Okay, and it's paid. This is my invoice, this is a recent payment request details, and as you guys can see here, it's paid. Okay, anyway, I'm here to show you also how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using Sora AI so you can start making commissions. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So the best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliates. Okay, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, search for this website. Okay, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address and that's it. Okay, once you finish, this will be your homepage with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, it's gonna take you to this affiliate website of Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do, you guys can scroll down so you can check their commission plan. Okay, so you can see how much you can earn with Fiverr affiliates program. They are really paying good commissions. So for example, if you start promoting pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order. Okay, if you are promoting other services, you can earn 25% of the first order, which is really good. And the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So you can turn this into a passive income. So for example, if one person buys a service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services over and over and over, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase or each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You guys can turn this into a passive income. Okay, anyway, if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. Okay, and what you need to do is you just need to put here your Pinterest profile link or your Facebook profile link page or your Instagram profile page or YouTube channel link, any social media profile link that you will use to promote those services. Okay, scroll down and click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere. Okay, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here and click here and choose your language. Once you finish, you can put also your Telegram account here if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy the services that you are promoting. Okay, so it's clear, guys. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to create Pinterest business account. You need to go to Google and search for Pinterest business account. Okay, guys, it's better to use Pinterest business account because the options that are available in Pinterest business account, it's not like the options that are available in personal account. Okay, if you want to start promoting affiliate links, it's better to create a business account. Of course, it's for free. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest business account, click on the first link, and just use your email address to create your account. That's it. It's super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one, and this will be your Pinterest homepage. Okay, why we choose Pinterest? A lot of people, they don't know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. They are getting crazy traffic, guys, and you can get crazy traffic from Pinterest, of course, if you are using good SEO. Guys, it's not about followers. You don't need on Pinterest, you don't need followers to make commissions. You don't need to focus in the beginning of growing your followers. That's wrong. That's not true, okay? So because Pinterest, guys, is a search engine platform. It's like Google and it's like YouTube, okay? So what you need to focus on Pinterest is your SEO. Even if you started from scratch, from zero with new account, you can start getting traffic and you can start getting crazy traffic if you are using good SEO, good keyword in your title, good keyword in your picture, good keyword in your description. You can rank your pins higher on Pinterest and you can start getting traffic, and this traffic can turn into commissions. It's clear and it's simple. So I'll show you guys how we can use AI to get a good SEO that will help your pins to rank higher. So once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to your homepage on Fiverr, and I'll share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest. I'm still promoting this service because it has high demand, okay? So pay close attention. Go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search bar and search for Pinterest, okay? Marketing, okay? Search for this service, not just this one. You can promote, you can just type here the keyword of Pinterest, and Fiverr will suggest the services that are related to Pinterest, okay? So what you will do, you need to promote those services related to Pinterest, okay? So we will choose Pinterest marketing, okay? I'm gonna choose this one, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers, okay? How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, and pro sellers. So you need to choose sellers who has good reviews, okay? Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers that you are promoting, okay? They will go and check the feedback of their customers who already paid for this service, okay? So if you are choosing good services, people can buy from you and you can earn commissions, okay? So let me show you. So for example, as an example, let me show you one, okay? So like this one, Pinterest, this one is top rated seller. I will manage your Pinterest marketing for your business, okay? So first, guys, why we choose Pinterest marketing? Because Pinterest users need Pinterest marketing service. They need Pinterest marketing service to grow their businesses inside Pinterest. This service is very important for Pinterest businesses, okay? So what you will do next, I will choose this one, like this one, top rated seller, this one, okay? I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see that the seller has 8 orders in queue. People are already placing orders. They are already paying for this service, meaning this service has high demand and it's working, and it's still working right now, okay? The best part with this service also, guys, is that this service is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service, guys, over and over and over. If you remember in the beginning, you can keep earning the 10% commission for each transaction those people will make on Fiverr buying those services, okay? So what you will do next, guys, you will copy this seller profile link like this, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and you will click over here, okay, your dashboard. You see here dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link, okay? So first, guys, let me explain. If you are promoting pro services, this will be your affiliate link, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting level 1, level 2, top rated sellers. This will be your affiliate link. From here you will copy your affiliate link from here, this one. Fiverr marketplace, new plan. For me guys, I do have this option, Fiverr step old plan. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account, that's why I still have this option, but it's almost the same. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to promote this service on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest, and what we will do, we will click on home feed and we will click on create pin over here. Okay, so right now we need to create a high quality pin picture that will get clicks. Okay, and we will start using AI. We will use Sora. Okay, but first we will use ChatGPT. So pay close attention. Go to ChatGPT and ask him. So just go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a prompt that you will send to Sora to create a high quality viral Pinterest pin picture that will get clicks about Pinterest marketing service. And here you go. ChatGPT will give you guys this Sora prompt. You just need to copy this prompt like this. Okay, copy this prompt and go back to, right now what you will do, you will go to Sora, go to sorachatgpt.com. okay, and you have here describe your image. First I'm gonna choose this aspect ratio, this one. I'm gonna choose this size of Pinterest pin picture, and I will put this prompt here, and I will just click over here, and Sora will create viral high quality pin picture for you guys just in few seconds. For you guys right now, you have access to a lot of AI tools. When I started this business, AI doesn't exist. Okay, I was really making like those pins. To make like those pins pictures, guys, it took me hours. Okay, it takes a lot of time to create just one pin picture. For you right now, you have access to those AI tools for free that you can use to create a lot of content just in few minutes. Okay, and here you go guys, do you see this? That's really amazing. Guys, we just created a Pinterest pin picture just in few seconds using AI. Look at this. This is really high quality. If you want to create like this pin picture, it will take you hours. Okay, but right now in 2026, using AI, it's super easy and it's done for you fast. Before I started using AI, I was making just between $2,000 and up to $5,000 per month. Once I started using AI, my affiliate marketing business scaled fast. Okay, because I do create so much content just in few minutes. I do create content for Pinterest, content for YouTube, content for TikTok, content for Instagram, and more, just done by AI. Okay, anyway, so here you go, you have two pictures. So let me choose one. Turn Pinterest into passive income. Done for you, Pinterest growth and traffic service. Get more clicks today. Turn Pinterest into passive income. I think I like this one. Okay, I will choose this one, guys. So just click on the picture that you want to use and click on download, and this picture will be downloaded into your laptop. Go back to your Pinterest pin here to create your pin, and click over here to upload your Pinterest pin picture. Okay, and here you go. Do you see this? That's really amazing. We need a title and description. So what we will do, we will use AI. We will go to ChatGPT and ask him, just go to ChatGPT guys and ask him to give you a title and description for this pin, and use good SEO to rank higher on Pinterest. And in pin description, mention that this is an affiliate. Okay, because it's very important to mention in your pin description that you are an affiliate marketer. Okay, so you can avoid suspended account or problems with Pinterest. Okay, and here you go, title SEO optimist. Your title is here. Copy this title, go back to Pinterest and just put this title here. Okay, you need description. Go back to Pinterest, to ChatGPT. This is your description. Okay, it's good, hashtags, everything guys. Okay, you see, this post contain affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. That's guys, you should start using AI. If you are not using AI, it's really a problem. Okay, you should. It's very important to use AI. Okay, this description is too much long, so we need to, I'm gonna delete this hashtags. Okay, it's too much long. Perfect Pinterest for blogs. If you are struggling, you can even ask ChatGPT to make it short for you guys. Okay, and here you go. So it's good. You have the idea, okay? So you can go and edit it. So you need here, scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here, okay? So you guys also can click here on choose a board, okay? And what you will do, if you have a new account, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. I want you to pay close attention here. You need to promote in each board, promote one specific niche, one niche. Don't promote multiple niches in one board. Each board should promote one specific niche, okay? So I do have a lot here. I'm gonna choose like this one, Fiverr affiliate, and here you can put tags. You can go back to ChatGPT and ask him to give me tags, okay? And ChatGPT will give you guys also the tags that you can use. You see, Pinterest marketing, you have a lot of tags, okay? They are not important. What you need to focus on is your title and your description, okay? So but you can put tags here if you want, okay? So once you finish, just click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Pinterest pin on Pinterest, okay? That's exactly how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using Sora AI, okay? For people who are asking, so how much we will earn if, for example, if one person buy this service from you, okay? Let's go back to this service that we are promoting. So this service, guys, is just the basic package starting from $130, okay? Let's take just this one because people can buy this one, some people can buy this one, some people can buy premium, standard, and so on. Let's take just the basic, okay? And for this service, we are promoting just top rated seller, so we'll earn 25% of the first order. We will go to ChatGPT and ask him what is 25% of $130. They are paying good commissions, guys, okay? And here you go, it's $32 and it's high commission, it's a profitable, okay? So that's it, guys. For people who want to take this business seriously and you want to learn more about this business, I do have a step-by-step affiliate marketing course. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. Inside the course, you will learn everything. You will get access to all my profitable services and access to all the AI tools that I'm using step by step, how we can use those AI tools to create content, to create videos, to create thumbnails, SEO, and so much more. And how we can also promote your affiliate links step by step on YouTube, on Pinterest, on Reddit, on Quora, and on Instagram, and more, okay? Step by step, okay? Feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description and I will send you all the details, and see you in the next one.